Hi there, here we have a VW California. It's the 150 brake. It's a 2020 and it comes with that private plate, the VW20 LEA. It's the Ocean, so it's a factory conversion, not a aftermarket job. It is a proper thing. It's got the chrome pack, as you can see, with those like side sills and chrome strip around the sides and on the tailgate. It's got the solar panel. You've got the front and rear reversing cameras. Sorry, reversing camera you've got on the back, but front and rear parking sensors. The roof and everything's all in spotless condition, as is the car. It's done 32,000 miles, got a really good full service history, all at VW. It was serviced earlier this year, but regardless of that, we've gone and done a full service, including a CamBelt on it, which is done with the Volkswagen parts from TPS. The reason we do that is because it's coming up to 6 years. Now VW have now changed it from, they were once saying it was 6 years, then they changed to 4 years, then they've changed it to 10 years. So I still think 6 years is enough. It's 5 years old, so I think it's time to do it. You've got the full zip out inside panel. We've got all the receipts, by the way, for that, and it's the T6.1. So you have got the digital dash. I'm not going to turn the key on because I drove it back the other day, and if I turn it on, it will connect to my phone. While I'm doing a video, it's not good, but I'll video all the different things. So you've got the sat nav reverse camera, Apple Play, Android Play. You've got the blind spot overtaking there. You've got radar, cruise control. You've got all the keys, the heater for the diesel heater. Right, if I come up here, you've got this net, which I personally don't like. I think they make it hard to put the roof up and down, but there we go. So you've got this like airtight mattress, and you've got the individually sprung mattress there. You've got your lights, which aren't flickering, and there's no holes in the sides where they get caught in the curtain. In the later T6.1, you have got the full zip out front section, and obviously the half moon. So you've got the fly screens here behind there. There, if you can see that without the glare. And you've got the big full zip out as well as the side half moons that zip out. While I'm here, I'll show you the sink and bowl. You've got the there we go, gas hobs there, all in very good clean condition. You've got your fridge, which is all nice and clean. Your digital rear panel, the latest one. You've got illuminated cupboards for your wardrobe. In here, if you look under here, your cupboards are all good, no scratches, nothing horrible. You've got the illuminated cupboards, some nice little anti-slip there, that's for your water waste. There you put the medical kit, which is actually in the drawer, cutlery drawer, and so I've left the table up, so I'm fighting the table. There we go. That's where one of your leisure batteries goes under that seat. You've got a third battery which is in the back by where the gas bottle goes, over in the bottom of that cupboard. So, which is complete. It's got the gas bottle as well. I think we've just started getting the rain. So I'll quickly walk around the outside and show you. It's in Ascot grey. Looks well in the, you've got the T6.1. So you've got that's your radar cruise. You've got a front camera there. It's always a preferred colour, this Ascot grey. They always seem to want this. Nice with the bike rack, nice with the solar panel, front and rear parking sensors. You've got the bed extension and comfort mattress as well, which is this. So you haven't just got the standard mattress, you've got the comfort one. That's your solar panel there for the reading. And then obviously your bottle and everything goes in there, which I'm not going to get out now. Table and chairs at stowaway in there. Your blinds all round. Your reverse camera. Everywhere you look is immaculate. So thank you for looking. If you want to know any more information, give Wayne a call on 07970 701166. I'm going to get this away before it gets too wet. Thank you for looking.